Are you wondering why many people always struggle to save money? The key is to control your expenses and make your money work for you. First, track all your spending carefully. Identify unnecessary expenses and cut them out. Second, invest in assets that grow over time. Examples: stocks, mutual funds, small businesses. Before buying unnecessary things, think carefully. Do you really need this, or is it just a want? Third, save regularly. Set aside some money every month for the future. Financial freedom is not about earning more. It is about managing the money you already have. Start today and ask yourself, am I spending wisely or just wasting money? Remember, small, smart decisions build your financial future.